guys, thanks for watching. Now the other day I posted a video A-Bing the drive models on the ToneMaster Pro against their counterparts on the Fractal FM9. I used the Deluxe Reverb amp as the pedal platform, and in order to match it against the ToneMaster Pro, I used Dyna-Cabs on the FM9. I've done other videos where I've taken factory presets and edited them to use Dyna-Cabs, and I'll post a link for one of those videos in the description. In those videos I've used two mics, usually the SM57 and the ribbon mic. This time I'm going to show you a much simpler example that only uses one mic. Like I said, I was trying to match the miking setup that Fender was using on their 65 Deluxe Reverb model. It uses one mic, the SM7B. I decided that I'd use that example in this video in the hope that some of the holdouts might decide to give it a try. You know, I'm still hearing from guys that just have no use for Dyna-Cabs for various reasons. Hopefully this video will show them how easy it can be to use Dyna-Cabs. I'm going to use the Deluxe Reverb amp again. I'm also using the 1x12 Deluxe Reverb Dyna-Cab and the SM7B mic with pretty much the same distance settings as on the ToneMaster Pro. So let's see how long this takes to set up in real time. I've already set up a preset with a looper, and I've also put down a loop. So here we go. Okay, let's look at that 65 Deluxe Reverb in the ToneMaster Pro app again. We're going to look at the speaker. It's a 1x12 65 Deluxe C12K. It's using the dynamic SM7B mic. Axis is on. Low cut filter is set to 80 Hz. High cut filter is set to 20 kHz. Distance is 2 inches from the speaker. And the mic is pointing at the cap edge, which is right here. This is the dust cap. This is the cone edge. This is the cone. So it's right at the edge of the cap and right at the start of the cone. And that's what we're trying to mimic on the FM9. So in the cab block on the FM9, in channel B, I have the Dyna-Cabs set up with the 1x12 Deluxe Verb. We're using dynamic number 2, which is the SM7B. Low cut filter is set to 80 Hz. High cut is set to 20 kHz. Now distance is set by centimeters, and 2 inches is 5.08 centimeters. Now trying to find out where the edge of the dust cap is, I'm going to say that's somewhere right in here. Now let's look at the ToneMaster Pro again. See, right here. The FM9, right here. So hopefully they're balanced now. So I can go to the looper and start playing the loop, and we'll see how it sounds and see if we want to move it around at all. Okay, now how long did that take? Maybe 2 to 3 minutes? I mean, you could always try swapping out the SM7B for maybe the condenser, or you could move the mic around a little bit more to maybe find a better sweet spot if you want to find that. But for the most part, doing that 2 to 3 minutes, you know, that we got good results from that. Now let's see how it compares with the original legacy factory cab settings. Okay, that's the first time I can think of where the Dyna-Cab version is louder than the Legacy version. Let me know which version you liked, guys. Legacy or Dyna-Cabs? Okay, now next Wednesday we are going to be starting a brand new series, Helix for Noobs. Now, you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, have a great weekend. I'll be talking with you next week.